Did you know that millions of homes are at risk for electrical fires because of one specific electrical panel? Yep, we're talking about the infamous Federal Pacific stab lock panels. If you're a homeowner wondering, wait, is my house one of them? Or a technician looking for a refresher on this topic, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the shocking truth about these notorious electrical panels and why replacing them isn't just a smart choice, but an essential one. Here at Monkey Wrench, we've seen it all when it comes to electrical systems, from panels that are over 50 years old to wiring setups that wouldn't pass any inspection. With years of experience replacing outdated panels in Los Angeles and beyond, we know just how much safer and more reliable a home can be with a proper electrical upgrade. And for those of you in the trades, we're here to give you the tools to educate homeowners and make the case for safety and modernization. Federal Pacific Electrical Company, or FPE for short, manufactured millions of electrical panels, many of which are still installed in homes today. Unfortunately, they come with a long list of problems that make them replacing them a no-brainer. But let's break it down. Here's what we'll cover. Number 1, why these panels are so risky. 2, the costs involved in replacing them and what's driving those costs. 3, how upgrading improves safety, efficiency, and compliance. By the end of this video, whether you're a technician or a homeowner, you'll have everything you need to know to understand the risks and the benefits of a panel upgrade. And hey, if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. We're constantly putting out new videos with tips and tricks and essential info for contractors and homeowners alike. Now, let's jump right into the numbers. How much does it cost to replace this Federal Pacific electrical panel? Well, replacing an FPE panel isn't cheap, but it's a worthwhile investment. On average, the cost ranges from $1,500 to $4,000. Here's what drives that range. Number 1, permit fees. In Los Angeles, any electrical panel replacement requires a permit from the LADBS, or Los Angeles Department of Building and Safety. Permit fees depend on the panel's amperage, but typically range from $200 to $500. Number 2, amperage upgrade. Many older panels max out at 100 amps, which isn't enough for modern homes. Upgrading to a 200 amp panel or higher adds to the cost but ensures the system can handle today's energy demands, including EV chargers, AC units, and high wattage appliances. Think of this as upgrading from a garden hose to a fire hose. It's an investment in capacity and reliability. Number 3, wiring upgrades. Outdated or damaged wiring can add a few hundred to over $1,000 to the project. This step is often unavoidable if you're dealing with a home that hasn't had significant electrical work in decades. Labor costs. Hiring a licensed electrician ensures the job is done safely and correctly. Labor costs vary, but transparency is key here. Homeowners always appreciate knowing where their money is going. For a technician, it's always in good interest to be transparent with your pricing. Homeowners appreciate knowing what's included in the cost and why it's necessary. For homeowners, if the price seems high, remember this: replacing your panel isn't just about avoiding fires. It's about giving your home the electrical infrastructure it needs to run safely and efficiently. Now, let's address a few common objections up front. You may be thinking, I haven't had any issues so far. Why replace it? Well, many electrical fires occur without prior warning. Studies have shown that FPE breakers fail to trip during overloads up to 25% of the time. That's like driving a car with brakes that only work 3 out of 4 times. Not a risk you want to be taking. You also might be thinking to yourself, what if I just wait until I sell the house? Well, delaying the replacement might seem tempting, but here's the catch. Most buyers will require an updated panel as a condition of sale. Upgrading now gives you peace of mind and avoids rush repairs later. Well, you might hear homeowners say this all the time, or if you're a homeowner, you may be thinking to yourself, can I just do this myself? Well, electrical panel replacement is a complex job that requires permits, inspections, and expertise. DIYing isn't just unsafe, it's illegal in most cases. A licensed electrician ensures the work is up to code and avoids costly mistakes. So, to put it bluntly, FPE stab lock panels are fire hazards. Here's why they're so dangerous. Investigations have shown a significant percentage of these panels fail to trip during overloads or short circuits. The most common reasons for this overloaded circuit is when too many appliances are plugged into a single circuit and used at the same time, The breaker acts as a safety mechanism to prevent overheating and potential electrical fires by cutting off power when the current exceeds a safe limit. A breaker that is failing to trip can increase the chances of an electrical fire starting. Research from the 1980s revealed that many FPE breakers simply didn't work as intended. The Consumer Product Safety Commission, or the CPSC, raised concerns, but no recall was ever issued. And also, aging equipment. Decades of wear and tear mean even functioning panels are likely deteriorating. And lastly, outdated standards. These panels don't meet modern safety codes, making them a red flag during a home inspection. For technicians, don't hesitate to lean on the safety angle. Replacing these panels isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. For homeowners, think of it like upgrading from a rickety old car to a reliable new vehicle. Can you really put a price on your family's safety? If you know a homeowner that's still on the fence of upgrading, or you're a homeowner watching this right now, here are the benefits of upgrading. Number one, well, obviously the fire safety. Modern panels reduce the risk of electrical fires, giving you that peace of mind. And code compliance. No more worrying about inspections or failing to meet the National Electrical Code standards. And improve reliability. Say goodbye to flickering lights, trip breakers, and electricity inefficiency. Increase capacity. Handle today's energy demands with ease, regardless of what appliance you're running. For homeowners, upgrading your panel means fewer headaches and a safer home. For technicians, highlighting long-term benefits like reliability and resale value helps homeowners see the bigger picture here. If you're a homeowner and you're wondering if you have a Federal Pacific panel, well, here's how to identify it. Look for the Federal Pacific Electrical name or logo on the panel. Check for the stat block label on the breakers. And if you're still unsure, consult a licensed electrician or take a photo of your panel to share it with a professional. Replacing an electrical panel isn't a quick fix. Here's what typically happens. 1. Initial inspection. Diagnose the current panel, wiring, and electrical demands. 2. Permitting. Ensure compliance with local codes. 3. Replacement. Remove that old panel, install a new one, and test the connections. And then you can move on to the final inspection and verify that everything meets code. For homeowners, expect a temporary power outage during the process, which can take several hours to a full day. As an electrician, communication is key. Keeping homeowners informed about timelines and potential challenges builds trust. Federal Pacific panels might have been state of the art back in the day, but today they're a liability. Replacing them isn't just a good idea, it's essential for protecting your home and family. Now that you know the risks, costs, and benefits, you can make an informed decision about upgrading. Or if you're an electrician watching this, you can always send this to a homeowner to get them a deeper look into what's going on with their electrical panel. If you're in Los Angeles and thinking about upgrading your electrical panel, schedule an appointment with one of our certified electricians using the link below in the description. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more tips and insights on the trade.